Houston homeowners know that the weather here doesn't play around. Long, humid summers, heavy rainstorms, strong winds, and the occasional cold snap can put serious stress on your home's exterior. When choosing casement windows, the frame material you select is just as important as the glass. The right frame can improve energy efficiency, reduce maintenance, and help your windows last for decades. If you're considering casement windows for your Houston home, here's what you need to know about the best frame materials for this unique climate. Why frame material matters in Houston. Casement windows are hinged on one side and swing outward, creating a tight seal when closed. That seal is great for ventilation control and energy efficiency, but the frame plays a key role in how well the window performs over time. In Houston's climate, window frames must handle high humidity levels, intense UV exposure, heavy rain, and occasional flooding heat that can cause expansion and contraction. Choosing the wrong material can lead to warping, rot, fading, or rising energy bills. Choosing the right one can mean comfort, durability, and long-term value. Vinyl frames. A top choice for Houston homes. Vinyl is one of the most popular frame materials for casement windows in Houston, and for good reason. Benefits of vinyl: moisture resistant. Vinyl doesn't absorb water, so it won't rot, rust, or corrode in Houston's humid conditions. Low maintenance. No painting or staining required. A simple cleaning keeps it looking fresh. Energy efficient. Vinyl frames provide excellent insulation, helping keep indoor temperatures stable during hot summers. Affordable. Compared to other materials, vinyl offers strong performance at a lower cost. Modern vinyl frames are also designed to resist UV damage, which is critical under Houston's strong sun. For many homeowners, vinyl strikes the perfect balance between performance, durability, and price. Fiberglass frames. Built for extreme conditions. If you're looking for premium durability, fiberglass is an excellent option. Why fiberglass works in Houston: exceptional strength. Fiberglass resists warping, cracking, and swelling, even in extreme heat and humidity. Thermal stability. It expands and contracts very little with temperature changes, maintaining a tight seal. Long lifespan. Fiberglass frames can last for decades with minimal maintenance. Energy efficiency. Like vinyl, fiberglass provides strong insulation. Houston's temperature swings and intense sunlight can be tough on many materials, but fiberglass holds up exceptionally well. While it costs more than vinyl, many homeowners see it as a long-term investment in durability and performance. Aluminum frames. Sleek but climate-sensitive aluminum frames are known for their slim profiles and modern appearance. They're strong and lightweight, which makes them appealing for contemporary homes. However, in Houston's climate, aluminum has a few considerations. Heat conductivity. Aluminum transfers heat easily, which can make your home warmer unless the frame includes a thermal break. Potential for condensation. High humidity combined with metal frames can increase condensation risks. Corrosion concerns. In areas with heavy moisture or coastal exposure, aluminum may require protective finishes. If you love the look of aluminum, choose thermally broken frames designed specifically for energy efficiency in warm climates. Wood frames. Beautiful but high-maintenance wood frames offer timeless beauty and natural insulation. They can add warmth and charm to both traditional and modern homes. But in Houston's humid climate, wood requires extra care. Considerations for wood: moisture sensitivity. Without proper sealing and maintenance, wood can warp or rot. Regular upkeep. Painting or staining is needed to protect against humidity and sun damage. Higher long-term maintenance costs. Over time, upkeep may add to your investment. Some homeowners choose wood-clad options, which combine a wood interior with a vinyl or aluminum exterior. This gives you the beauty of wood inside and weather resistance outside. What's the best overall option? For most Houston homeowners, vinyl and fiberglass offer the best combination of moisture resistance, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. They stand up well to humidity, heavy rain, and long summers without requiring constant attention. If budget is a priority, vinyl is often the smart choice. If maximum durability and long-term performance are your goals, fiberglass is hard to beat. Final thoughts: your casement windows should do more than look good. They should protect your home, lower energy costs, and withstand Houston's demanding climate. By choosing the right frame material, you can enjoy better comfort, improved efficiency, and peace of mind for years to come. Before making your final decision, consult with a trusted local window professional who understands Houston's weather challenges. With the right guidance and the right frame material, your new casement windows will be ready for whatever Texas weather brings.